Hi guys, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as separate products on your collection page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for Streamline theme. If you have any other theme, then you can go to shopwebsitecourse.com. There I have already published the same feature for different themes. So here on my screen you can see that this is the collection page, and here we have all the products displaying. So if you are coming to any of the product, you can see that it has different color variants. So we are interested to display all these color variants on collection page. So let me show you how you can do all the stuff step by step. So I have already added a link below in the description. You just need to download the code. Once you are downloading the code, you will be getting these files. So you should open document.txt, and here you will be getting all the instructions which we are going to follow in this video. So the first step is like create new snippet, color dash variant, and paste attached code. So firstly you should go to the dashboard of the Shopify store. Here you can see that I have Streamline theme, and you should firstly duplicate the theme if you want, so that later on if you want to restore the code you can do it. So click on these three dots, click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders, and we are going to follow the first step, which is like click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and right here color dash variant, and then click on done. And we are going to paste this code, color dash variant. So you should copy this complete code and then paste it right here, and the changes are saved. Then you should close this file, and let's follow the second step. The second step is create new snippet, color dash product dash grid dash item. Just copy this name and then create a new snippet again. Click on add a new snippet, paste the name, and then click on done. Now the second step is like open color dash product dash grid dash item. So just copy this complete code and paste it right here. Once you are pasting it, then you should click on save and close this file. And the third step is like go to sections, open main-collection.liquid, and replace this text with this one. So let's go to main-collection. You should search here main-collection. You can see that we have main-collection.liquid, and inside of it you should just need to find this text, which is this one, product dash grid dash item. I'm going to search it using Control F or maybe Command F, and here you can see that product dash grid dash item. So you need to write here color dash variant like this, or maybe copy and paste the text from there, from the documentation. Once you are done, then you should click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should check it. You can actually test it. Right now you can see that we have all these products without their color variants, and let me refresh it now. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all these products like cedar blouse, cedar blouse, cedar blouse, but all with different colors. Can you see? All these colors are different. So that's how you can actually display all those variants which are linked with a specific product. So you can imagine like we have this t-shirt which is popular t-shirt, and popular t-shirt, and you can see we have different colors. For example, you are clicking here, and you can see that we have this color, this color, this color, and all are displaying on this collection page. And if you want, you can actually add the color name here. We can actually add the color name also, for example like this. Once you are changing, so let me refresh it again. Now you can see that we have all those color variants with their color name: off-white, cablet blue, petrol blue. So all those color variants are displaying. Along with that, we can also display their color names with a dash. So you can actually modify according to your own need. One more thing you have to keep in mind is you should go to the products. Here you can see that I have this product, for example, and for example I am clicking on this product. You should scroll it down and see here the variations. Here you can see that we have color, we have size. All right, so always keep the color first. For example, sometime people has color at the second position and size at the first position. So you should drag it and put the color at first position. So this is the one thing that you have to keep in mind. That's how the color name will be displayed in the front end. All right. If you are facing any problem, then you can actually contact me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description. If you have any problem with your store, you can directly contact me. I will help you out in that. So if you have any kind of feature to create into your store, so definitely I will be helping you in that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.